Welcome. You will find step-by-step solutions to different math problems here. Please subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Today, we will solve a math problem related to the marked price, discount, and VAT. Here is the question. A machine is sold at 99,000 rupees after 10% discount and 10% VAT on the marked price. Find the discount amount and VAT amount. Now, let's solve it. Solution. Here, SP with VAT is equal to 99,000 rupees. Discount D is equal to 10%. VAT V is equal to 10%. Discount amount is equal to what? VAT amount is equal to what? We know. Selling price SP equals to 100 divided by 100 plus V% into SP with VAT. Now replacing V% and SP with VAT with the above values. Equals to 100 divided by 100 plus 10 into 99,000. Equals to 100 divided by 110 into 99,000. Equals to 90,000. Therefore, VAT amount equals to SP with VAT minus SP. Equals to rupees 99,000 minus 90,000. Equals to rupees 9,000. Again, marked price MP equals to 100 divided by 100 minus D% into SP. Now, replacing D% and SP with values. Equals to 100 divided by 100 minus 10 into 90,000. Equals to 100 divided by 90 into 90,000. Equals to rupees 100,000. Therefore, discount amount equals to MP minus SP equals to rupees 100,000 minus 90,000 equals to rupees 10,000. Therefore, discount amount is rupees 10,000 and VAT amount is rupees 9,000. Which are the required answers? I hope you have understood the solution. If you have your math problems, please comment it. I will solve your problems in the next videos. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.